Hey y'all, it's Ashley. Welcome to my channel. So I'm going to start with some rocks from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to put them down into a Dollar Tree vase. So I got this little mini figurine set from Dollar Tree, and same goes for the vase, the moss, pretty much everything came from Dollar Tree. Some of these have been painted, well, quickly, we'll say quickly. So I'm going to use my paint pens and touch them up a little bit. Once that was done, I played around with it some, and I realized that they're going to need some help standing up. These rocks are uneven and they just fall over. So I took a piece of a skewer and I glued it to the underside of those little figurines. That way I can anchor them down into the rocks. So I tried to cut these at an angle so they would sink easier, but I really don't think it made a difference. I added plenty of hot glue to them just in case. Of course, I forgot to add the fairy lights, so I'm just going to take the moss back up and put it back down. I'm not going to bury them under the rocks, I'm just going to set them on top. And then I add a bag of that reindeer moss from Dollar Tree on top of that. Then I glued that box just inside so that it sits right behind that little house, so nobody will ever see it. And then just add that moss right back on top. So now I'm going to start adding back my little figurines. We've got a house, a lamppost, a headstone, skulls, and this little creepy dude. But the house will sit just fine all by itself. And then just add the rest of the pieces wherever you like. So I want to add a little tree, and I've had this left over from Christmas. It looks like a tree to me, so I'm just going to put it in there. I found these little pumpkins on a skewer at Dollar Tree. I'm going to cut it down, and then I'm just going to put them wherever I want. So here are some fall leaves confetti, and I'm just going to add a little bit. So I gave this little house a welcome board. I painted a jagged piece of popsicle stick black, and then I wrote the word boo on it with a little ghost. Add some glue to the back and stick it right there beside the door. How adorable is this? And here it is, all finished and ready to set out for the Halloween season. Let me know how you decorated yours. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.